In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace Dropbox with iCloud Drive on your iPhone or iPad. If you're looking to shift your file storage to iCloud Drive, I'll guide you through the process step by step, making it easy and manageable. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to gather all the files from your Dropbox that you wish to keep. To do this, simply open your Dropbox app on your device. Once inside, navigate through your folders and locate the files you need. Download or save these files locally on your device or directly to your Files app. This is a crucial step because you want to ensure none of your important data is lost during the transition. Next, you'll need to enable iCloud Drive if it's not already set up on your device. Start by going to your iPhone or iPad settings. Tap on your name at the top of the screen. This will take you to your Apple ID settings. From there, select the iCloud option. Here, you'll see a range of different options and services that utilize iCloud. Look for iCloud Drive in the list and make sure it's toggled on. This enables your device to use iCloud Drive as a storage location accessible through the Files app. Now that iCloud Drive is enabled, it's time to move your files from Dropbox into iCloud Drive. Start by opening the Files app on your device. You'll find several options under Locations on the app's main screen. Tap on Dropbox to access all the files you just downloaded or saved earlier. Select the files you want to move by tapping on them. Then look for the Move option, which typically appears at the bottom of your screen. When you tap Move, you'll be prompted to choose a destination for your files. Select iCloud Drive from the available options. And there you have it. Your files should start transferring from Dropbox to iCloud Drive. This process may take some time, depending on the size and number of files you are moving, so be patient. Once the transfer is complete, your files will be readily available in iCloud Drive, accessible seamlessly across all your Apple devices. Congratulations, you've successfully transitioned from Dropbox to iCloud Drive. With iCloud, not only do you integrate more cohesively into the Apple ecosystem, but you also enjoy benefits such as enhanced security and easier accessibility across your devices. Plus, with the optimization features Apple provides, you can manage your storage efficiently. Thanks for following along. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next video.